In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to read basic rhythms. We'll be starting with 3 notes: quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Quarter notes look like this. They have a stem and their circle is colored in. These notes last 1 beat. Let's try and clap out this pattern. We have 4 quarter notes in each box, so each clap will last 1 beat. I'll give us a countdown. Count out loud with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job! If that was a little tricky, feel free to pause the video and repeat this for practice. Let's move on to half notes. Half notes look like this. They have a stem and their circle is empty. These notes last 2 beats, so that means we will hold our clap for 2 beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try and clap out this pattern. We have 2 half notes in each box, so each clap will last 2 beats. I'll give us a countdown. Count out loud with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! If you'd like to practice this again, feel free to pause and repeat this part of the video. Let's learn our last note for the day, whole notes. They have no stem, and their circle is also empty. They kind of look like a ring. And finally, whole notes last for 4 beats. Let's see if we can play this last pattern. We have 1 whole note in each box. I'll count us off. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job! If you want to review this, you can replay this section for more practice. That's it for today's lesson on reading basic rhythms. Parents, if you'd like to help your child practice their rhythms some more, feel free to create your own rhythms to clap to, or find some songs with beats you can clap along to. Have fun practicing!